you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ellie, and today I am in Minecraft doing my first Minecraft video. You see me? I'm waving at you. Hi. And today I'm doing a build tutorial and I'm showing you guys how to make this super awesome bouncy dragon house in Minecraft. And hopefully by the end of this video you guys will all have your very own awesome dragon bouncy house. And sorry for the little pig right there. It was covering the bouncy dragon house for a little bit, but by the end of this video you guys should all have your very own bouncy dragon house that you can invite all your friends to and you guys can bounce around. Anyways, let's get started with today's build. Start by getting yellow wool and placing 2 pieces of it right next to each other, 1 space apart, and put 2 pieces of orange wool behind the yellow wool on each side, and do the same for the red wool, and get blue wool and put 3 blocks of it right on top and make a line of blue wool on the sides as well. And extend the blue wool a little bit longer and fill up the rest. Now we will fill the top of this area with more blue wool and create a rectangle of wool. This area is going to end up being the snout of the dragon. Place 1 blue wool block there and another right there, and we have our finished snout. Now grab more blue wool and just follow along with what I am doing in the video. And now we are going to make the eyes of the dragon. So I'm just going to grab some red stained glass and some white stained glass. This is what we're going to use to make the eyes. You can also use wool to make it, but I personally like glass because of the nice texture that it gives off. And now keep following along with the video, and that is now we are slowly working towards the dragon head, which is probably the main part of the whole bouncy house. Now build a long row of blue wool. It depends on what you want, and you can make it however long as you want. I recommend up to 6 to 7 blocks. And just fill in the rest of the dragon as showed in the video. Now we are moving on to the next side and doing the same thing that we did for the other side. Now fill in the top of the dragon head as shown in the video. And I also wanted to let you guys know that you guys can use any colors you want for the dragon. I just used blue because I thought it would look nice. So now we are putting 2 rolls of blue wool to cover the back of the dragon. So this is what we have for a dragon so far. The dragon head is almost completed. You just want to grab some dark gray wool and go over to here and place it like this as shown below in kind of like an L shape. Now we are actually done with the outside of the dragon head. Now we are slowly going to move in to the inside of the dragon. So we are going to need slime blocks and put orange and red carpeting and yellow slime blocks as shown below. You can also come up with any kind of pattern that you guys want. This is just the kind of random pattern that I used. And the slime blocks are to make the bouncy house bouncy so that you can actually jump on it and bounce around. And we also put carpeting to make it look more decorative and not just the normal plain green slime block. Now you want to grab red wool and follow along with the video and put the red wool around the inside of the bouncy house. This just makes it a little bit more decorative, and add a little staircase. And now we are going to replace the whole inside with wool so that we can bounce on it. Now we can climb up the red wool blocks and use them as stairs, and then jump and bounce around. Now we are going to make the castle at the back of the bouncy house. So make 4 block high rows, and then follow the video and make kind of this small little castle shape at the back of the build. And you can make the castle as long as you want. I made it a little bit small because I wanted the dragon head to stand out more than the castle at the back. Now we're going to add in some more slime blocks and carpeting, and also add in these ladders so we can get to the top of the castle. So just add in a row of ladders on both sides of the castle so we can get to the top and bounce. Now we are going to get the slime blocks, and we are going to do the carpeting so that we can bounce on this area as well. Now we are done with today's build, and we have our bouncy house, and we can bounce around and drop from the red stairs, and we can also climb up the castle and bounce some more. Boing boing. And that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys all have fun with your new Dragon Bouncy House. Bye!